Atma Namaskar, the highest in me, boasts the highest in you. May this day, the happiest day for everyone in this world. May this day be the happiest day for everyone in this world. My respected friends, our slogan, our Taraka Mantram is Anandam, Arogyam, Aishwaryam, Atmajnanam is everything within us. Happiness, blissfulness, name, fame, health, wealth is everything is within us. The same way, the divine healing power is also within us. Then, how to invoke, how to get that energy out and useful and make to use out of it. My respected friends, the energy, the information which invoke the healing energy, the divine healing energy within us is none other than Dhanvantari Siddha Mantra. Then you may ask me, who is this Dhanvantari? Whether God or the King. My respected friends, everybody know that our Vishnu Bhagavan incarnated in this world many times. Out of that, the 51 avatara is very important. Away from 10 avatars, 10 incarnations, there were many more incarnations of Vishnu Bhagavan. Among them, Dhanvantari is one. The Dhanvantari incarnation of Mahavishnu is very peculiar for healing and invoking the healing power within us. Let me tell both Dhanvantari as a god and Dhanvantari as a king, both informations are right. Before this Treta Yuga, that is in Satya Yuga, all the devatas and asuras requested Mahavishnu to give a technique to avoid death. That time, Mahavishnu instructed devatas and asuras to churn the milk ocean. While churning the milk ocean with the Sumeru Parvatam, with Vasugi as a rope, the snake Vasugi as a rope, very poisonous liquid came out of that, which is called Halahala Visham. That Halahala Visham swallowed by Paramashiva, that is why he called as Tirunilakandam, Nilakanteshwara. Then Kamadhenu came from that milk ocean while churning, and Airavatam came, Uchchaisravanam came, Mahalakshmi also came, Kalpavruksham came, Apsarasas came. Apsarasas also evolved from that milk ocean while churning. Finally, Dhanvantari Swarupa Mahavishnu, the incarnation, the energy of Mahavishnu came out of that milk ocean while churning, along with the Amrutam in the vessel, the immortal liquid in the vessel, Amruta Kalisham. The incarnation, the avatara of Mahavishnu is Dhanvantari Swarupa, Dhanvantari Avatara, with the Amruta Kalisham in one hand, the immortal liquid, the vessel of immortal liquid in one hand, the leech in another hand, one hand with the Sudarsanam, one hand with conch. The leech worm represents, it will take away all the negative energies, negative blood from one being. That is why Dhanvantari Swarupa Avatara, having leech in one hand, Amruta Kalasam in another hand, Sudarsana Chakram in another hand, and conch in fourth hand. My respected friends, the Dhanvantari Mantra, the Siddha Dhanvantari Mantra is absolutely makes us to invoke the divine healing within us. And let me tell about one more avatara of Dhanvantari. Kasi Raja, the king of Varanasi, by the request of all the people, that time many more diseases get propagated, get spread like now, get spread all over the country, all over the world. by the request of all the people, Kasi Raja done very great penance to Mahavishnu, requested Mahavishnu to give boon. Mahavishnu, Swarupam, Mahavishnu also granted a boon to Kasi Raja. Kasi Raja requested Mahavishnu to come to this world as his son, and safeguard this country or this world. Mahavishnu, by accepting Kasi Raja's request, came to this world as a son of Kasi Raja. His name is Dhanvantari. The Dhanvantari Swarupa, who came as an avatar of Mahavishnu, done a very great penance to Surya Bhagavan. Dhanvantari is one among 16 disciples, students of Surya Bhagavan. Surya Bhagavan taught him all the great secrets about the herbs. Thus, Dhanvantari Swarupa also worked in Vikramaditya dynasty. Among 9 gems, Navaratnas, he had written very great text called Dhanvantari Nigantu, which explained everything about herbs, everything about the disease, how this body works, how to protect our body from the disease, how each and every organ works, how to do operation, how to take away unnecessary energies, unnecessary disease from us, which been cleanly explained in Dhanvantari Nigantu. He explained to his many students. One among the students is Sushruta. The Sushruta is a very great searcher. Everybody knows the Sushruta written a very great book or text called Sushruta Samhita. He is known surgeon in old traditional India, traditional Hindustan. This knowledge being given to Sushruta by none other than Dhanvantari. The name Dhanvantari means, Dhanur means arrow. One who holds the arrow is called Dhanvantari. Means the arrow is nothing but like a knife. With the knife, one can operate and take away the disease from us. One more meaning, one can take away by piercing our body, take away all the negativities from us. Thus, the name Dhanvantari means one who holds, one who uses arrow or knife for taking away disease from our body, from our being, is called Dhanvantari. In olden days, many doctors are called as Dhanvantari. Many surgeons are called as Dhanvantari because doing surgery is not new to our India. It's a very before, 5,000 years before itself, there are very great people who done surgery like Sushruta, Dhanvantari. My respected friends, the 2 avatars of Dhanvantari, the second avatara, he has Sudarsana in one hand, conch in one hand, herb in one hand, and the 4th hand with text. That is nothing but Dhanvantari Nigantu. So there are 2 avatars, 2 incarnations of Mahavishnu. One is very before Satya Yuga, one Dhanvantari who can invoke by the mantra the healing energy, the healing power, the divine healing energy within us, Dhanvantari Swarupam, and one more avatara who had given very great text about herbs which is useful for this pandemic situation. Both are incarnations of Dhanvantari. Now, let me see how to invoke the divine healing energies within us through Dhanvantari Siddha Mantra. Because the second avatara of Dhanvantari is Siddha Swarupa. He done very great penance to Lord Surya, Lord Maha Swarupa Ishvara, and got this power. How to heal others with the herbs, how to heal others using many great techniques. That is why the Siddha Mantra, which we are going to tell you, it's a very great useful for invoking divine healing power within us. Now, let me explain how to invoke the divine healing power within us by using mantra, yantra, mudra, tantra. Mantra, yantra, mudra, tantra. We are using Ushas Mudra. The Ushas Mudra will invoke the Ushas, will invoke the energies within us. The Ushas Mudra we have to do like this. We have to do like this. For men, the right thumb has to come up. The right thumb has to come up. For women, left thumb has to come up. Left thumb has to come up. This is Ushas Mudra. We have to keep this Ushas Mudra near the navel, near the Manipura chakra. The symbol is a healing symbol. This symbol will invoke the optimal health to us. This mudra will invoke the arogyam, the health within us. So, by combining mudra, by combining symbol, that is called yantra, along with the mantra, we can invoke the divine healing Dhanvantari energy within us. The mantra is Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsana Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraya Amrutakalsahastaya Sakala Bhaya Vinasanaya Sakala Roga Nivaranaya Trilokapataye Triloka Nityaye Om Sri Mahavishnu Surupaya Om Sri Dhanvantara Surupaya Om Sri Sri Aushadha Chakra Narayanaya Namaha Om Hrim Vam Dhanvantare Amrita Kalsahastaya Vajrajaluka Hastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Trilokyanadhaya Mahavishnave Vam Hrim Om Swaha. My respected friends, shall we do now? Sit comfortably with spine erect. Sit comfortably with spine erect. Seek the permission of your Kula Devata, family deity, Grama Devata, village deity, Ishta Devata, favorite deity. Seek the permission of your parents. Seek the permission of Gurus. Seek the permission of Panchabhutas and the space where you are going to meditate. My respected friends, close your eyes gently. Before closing your eyes, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now draw a symbol on your left hand using right hand. Draw a symbol on right hand using left hand. Hold the Ushas Mudra. For gents, the thumb, right thumb should up. For ladies, left thumb should come up. For gents, right thumb should come up. Place it near the navel. Close your eyes by resonating mantra. Close your eyes by resonating mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsana Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraya Amrita Kalsahastaya Sakala Bhaya Vinasanaya Sarvaroga Nivaranaya Trilokapataye Triloka Nityaye Om Sri Mahavishnu Surupaya Om Sri Dhanvantara Surupaya Om Sri Sri Aushadha Chakra Narayanaya Namaha Om Hrim Om Dhanvantare Amrita Kalsahastaya Vajrajaluka Hastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Trilokanadaya Mahavishnave Om Hrim Om Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsana Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraya Amrita Kalsahastaya Sakala Bhaya Vinasanaya त्रिलोकपतये त्रिलोकनित्यये ॐ श्री महाविष्णुस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री श्री औषधचक्रनारायणाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं वं धन्वन्तरे अमृतकलशहस्ताय वज्रजालूकहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रिलोक्यनाथाय महाविष्णवे वं ह्रीं ॐ स्वाहा ॐ नमो भगवते महासुदर्शन वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तराय अमृतकलशहस्ताय सकलभयविनाशनाय सर्वरोगनिवारणाय त्रिलोकपतये त्रिलोकनित्यये ॐ श्री महाविष्णुस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री श्री औषधचक्रनारायणाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं वं धन्वन्तरे अमृतकलशहस्ताय वज्रजालूकहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रिलोक्यनाथाय महाविष्णवे वं ह्रीं ॐ स्वाहा ॐ नमो भगवते महासुदर्शन वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तराय अमृतकलशहस्ताय सकलभयनिवारणाय सकलरोगनिवारणाय त्रिलोकपतये त्रिलोकनित्यये ॐ श्री महाविष्णुस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरस्वरूपाय ॐ श्री श्री औषधचक्रनारायणाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं वं धन्वन्तरे अमृतकलशहस्ताय वज्रजालूकहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय महाविष्णवे वं ह्रीं ॐ स्वाहा Slowly come back, shake your hands, rub your hands together, place it on your eyes, shake your hands, rub your hands together, place it on your eyes. Recollect the Swarupam of Dhanvantari. Recollect how the energy flows through you, how the energy being embedded within you. Recollect, register it, shake your hands, rub your hands together, place it on your eyes. Open your eyes with big, big smile. Open your eyes with big, big smile. The highest in me, boast the highest in you. May this day be the happiest day for everyone in this world. May this sadhana brings, invokes the healing energy, the divine healing energy within us with the divine blessings. My respected friends, if you want to energize your food, draw this symbol on a table or any other material. Buy chalk piece. It should be a temporary. You should not take printout, or you should not write with a permanent pen. It should be a chalk piece. Means every day if you want to energize this food, you have to write every day. Draw this symbol on the table or any other material. Place the cooked food on that. Place the cooked food on that and chant the mantra, the same mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsana Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraya Amrutakalashahastaya Sakalabhaya Vinasanaya Sarvaroga Nivaranaya Trailokya Pataye Triloka Nityaye Om Sri Mahavishnu Swarupaya Sri Dhanvantara Swarupaya Om Sri Sri Aushadha Chakra Narayanaya Namaha Om Hrim Om Dhanvantare Amrutakalashahastaya Vajrajalukahastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Trailokyanadaya Mahavishnave Vam Hrim Om Swaha. Energize this food with the mantra, with the symbol. Automatically that food becomes Amritam. That food becomes the absolutely divine. The food becomes the medicine for you, whatever you need. with this. Chant the mantra while you are cooking. Chant the mantra while you are eating. This is absolutely makes your body healthy and wealthy and wise. With this, Atma Namaskar.